in this video, we're talking about foam. Lots of foam, tons of foam. What kind of foam? What does it do? What's important? I did a lot of research on this. A lot. Trying to figure out how it all works. What's the right thing to get? You know what I still don't have? I don't have something to cut these open. I'll be right back. Boom.
I'm sorry.
Anyway, you can hear the echo. Blank walls. The whole room was just repainted. So there's nothing hanging. There's carpet on the ground. The closet doors are off because we're gonna get those fancy barn doors. I gotta do something about this echo. These are bricks, man. These are solid. This one. This is like a punching bag. So anyway, what is this stuff? Here, let's get a sound check real quick. It's very, very echoey. So the goal is to get all of this foam on the wall, and then I'll record another sound check video. But I wanted to unbox it so you guys can see what the foam is like, because I couldn't find a lot of videos on people actually unboxing the foam and talking a little bit about what they bought and why they bought it. I'm gonna talk about that. You wanna try to reduce the reverberation in the room. And the way you do that is with foam that's dense and strategically placed. There's this thing called the NRC level. It's 0 to 1 or 100%. I'll link it down below to like a chart or something, but basically there's like a NRC number overall, and then there's NRC based on frequency. You might have a frequency range of 0 to 300, and there's a NRC number for that. And then there's an NRC from like 301 to like 1000, and there's an NRC number for that. There's an overall number that is averaged for all the different NRCs. So you might have like a 0.95 for the overall, which would tell you that most of it's being covered, and that's a really good number. When you start going down to 0.9, 0.85, you would think, oh, that's pretty close, but that usually means the lower frequencies has just no coverage at all, and you need some coverage there to reduce the sound from echoing and all of the frequencies. Otherwise, you just get like peaks for certain things. You don't want to overdo it with the foam. You don't want to get trash foam. We're gonna go ahead and cut some of this open. I'm gonna be real careful not to cut the foam. Let's just see here. Hopefully I don't cut off my finger. Just put a little hole and then I'll peel this plastic back. That ASMR though, listen. Here, let's get some sound. You can just pull the foam out and it takes like 24 to 48 hours for it to fully expand, or you can soak it in water, wring it out, place it somewhere where it can expand and be on its own for 4 or 5 hours, and that's supposed to do the trick. Here you go. These are super thin sheets. These ones were 2 inches by 12 by 12, but they're the super dense one. I can feel how dense this is. I mean, this is real dense. So when it puffs up, it's not going to be as dense, but you can see when you pull it out of the package, it looks just like trash. So yeah, we got a lot of work to do. This is the next one. This is a bass trap. This one has a much cooler design. Ooh, it's kind of yellowy in there. If I die, you guys know why. Product specifications. NRC, noise reduction coefficient. 0.65. I think it only targets a specific range, which is what we're looking for in this anyway. Comes with a guarantee, a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is kind of scary because I got these about 15 days ago. I have been avoiding doing videos. I just started my YouTube channel and I'm avoiding doing videos. It's kind of sad. So, okay, anyways, these guys are gonna kind of fold out and look all like kind of crazy. And these bad boys just go up in the corners, and they help to prevent the bass. I feel like it's already reduced the sound a little bit just being here. Maybe I'm crazy. Oh, this one's kind of open. What's that about? What if like a giant mouse ran out? Ooh, these ones tore up. Look at that. Oh man. I really hope these actually end up looking good. Look at this guy. I mean, he's like a Frisbee, super squished. All right, so cool. They came with the right amount of foam. Now I'm smelling like a bit of a kind of aroma, a chemically kind of thing. If I should wash my hands, I'm gonna die. Just sitting here with all this foam around me. I mean, look, just to give you an idea. That's what $230 something, $250 worth of foam looks like. I can hear a difference if I talk into it like this. I mean, obviously it's gonna be different, but I'm just excited to see once these expand and really are set around the room, if there's really a difference that I can hear in the recording. This is fun. I'm excited. It's fun. We're gonna do it.